Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, let's go to 2.3 health of human respiratory system. Okay, so in this subtopic, we will going to learn about the harmful gases to human respiratory system. Okay, for example, okay, this the gases, cigarette tar that contain in cigarette smoke, okay, the carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, haze, dust, and pollen. Okay, so we go one by one. What happened to our respiratory system? While these all the harmful substances enter the canal. Okay. First one, the cigarette tar. Okay, this one. Okay, from a smoke. Okay, you can see this one is one piece of smoke, and it contains so many harmful substances. Okay, that should not be reached to our respiratory system. Okay, so why all these tar, cigarette tar, enter our respiratory system, it becomes sticky and stick to all the canal before it reach the lungs. Okay, so it will kill the cell in purine, in larynx, what else? The bronchi, bronchiole, and also the alveolus here. Okay. So that's why a smoker, okay, always cough. Why? Because the lungs, the canal, okay, will increase in the production of mucus and phloem. Okay, so this one will lead to lungs cancer. Okay. Next, we go to carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide in cigarette smoke and exhaust gases of motor vehicles. Okay, this one you cannot see because it's colorless and odorless gas. Okay, and when it reach the human respiratory system in alveolus, okay, here alveolus will stick will no, not alveolus, the red blood cell we choose carbon monoxide rather than the oxygen. Okay, so the red blood cell has the pigment which is hemoglobin. This hemoglobin we choose the carbon monoxide first rather than the oxygen. Okay, when it combine, it become the carboxyhemoglobin. Okay, so once it combine, this hemoglobin cannot carry anymore the other oxygen. Okay, so our cell will face the shortage of oxygen. Okay, and we cannot do the cellular respiration. Okay, next we go to carbon dioxide. No, not carbon dioxide. Sorry, the sulfur dioxide. Okay, from the combustion of coal. Okay, so this one is colorless and also will release the pungent smell. That means busuk. Okay, so it also irritate the air passage. Okay, and we will facing to unease, and maybe we will cough and difficult to breathe in, and maybe lead to lung cancer too. Okay, mostly from factory. Okay, nitrogen dioxide from combustion of fuel. Okay, the petrol used in car and motorcycle. Okay, so the smoke that released from the vehicle, this vehicle, you can see the brown color with a pungent smell, and when it enter your air passage, okay, it will causing you to cough and difficult to breathe in, and also maybe you will suffer with asthma. Okay, how about haze, dust and pollen? Okay, the haze, okay, this one is uh, from the motor vehicle exhaust, open burning. Okay, how about the pollen? The pollen is from um, the anther of a flower. Okay, so the pollen carry the male and female gamete. The haze and the dust you can found anywhere, and it will collect together and it form the haze and dust. Okay, and it causes the respiratory disease such as asthma. Okay, let's go to respiratory disease and their symptom. Okay, asthma. Okay, from vehicle, from cigarette. Okay, how the symptom? The shortness of breath. Okay, wheezing and coughing. Okay, bronchitis. Bronchitis is uh it is in bronchus. Okay, in bronchus, the inflammation of bronchus caused by tar and irritant in cigarette smoke. Okay, the same symptom, the shortness of breath, persistent coughing, and insomnia. Insomnia, that means that person is hard to fall in sleep. Okay, emphysema, the condition of alveoli. Okay, it become damaged due to cigarette smoke. Okay, the symptoms include the shortness of breath, pain when breathing, and feeling tired. Why? Because the alveolus cannot supply more oxygen, so there is no oxygen reaching the cell. The cell cannot do the cellular respiration to oxidize and become energy. Okay, this energy actually we need to do our activity. So when the alveolus fail to supply more oxygen, it become that person become more tired or fatigue. Okay. Okay, this one the healthy alveoli, and the damaged one, it didn't look like a grape, and become um it become more um what we call, I forgot, lembe. Alright. Okay, next the lung cancer. Lung cancer known as carcinogen. Okay, the carcinogen, this chemical are inhaled during breathing. Okay, cigarette smoke contain various carcinogen, the harmful substances. Okay, this is the uh, a healthy person, the lung of a healthy person is one with a cancer. Okay, look at the black spot here. Okay, this one actually the harmful substances that stick to the cell and kill the cell of the lung. Okay, and then um, what else? The symptom: coughing, blood in phlegm, okay, and feeling pain when breathing. Okay, so actually not just a smoker, the secondary smoker also can suffer with this lung cancer. Okay, the smoker didn't die, but the person around the smoker will die first, or maybe will suffer with the lung cancer. Okay, so you need to say no to smoker. Okay, the effect of smoking. The effect of smoking is the person who does not smoke but inhale cigarette smoke, known as passive smoker or secondary smoker. And you can read by yourself here. The cigarette smoke to the human respiratory system very harmful and causing more effect, especially to the passive or secondary smoker. Okay, actually we need to do this one in laboratory. Okay, so how many experiments? There are about 3 experiments we're going to do. Okay, so um I will find a book for you. Okay, so you no need to copy this one. Okay, next. Okay, we reach here. The formative practice 2.3. Okay, the formative practice 1, 2, 3, and until 5. Okay, you can do it, and as usual, send a picture, only a picture maybe, okay, or 2, okay, in the Google form. Okay, so thank you for today.